Let's take a look at this example. I'm going to convert this prefix to the power of 10 first. I have 470 times 10 to negative 12 volts. I have to convert this value to nano. That's why I'm going to write over here 10 to negative 9, because nano represents 10 to negative 9 power of 10, okay? And I have, of course, volts. What I'm supposed to do? Copy down 470 times 10 times. So next, I'm supposed to find the number which is added to negative 9 is going to give me negative 12. Negative 3 added to negative 9 is going to give me negative 12. So I'm going to have 470 times 10 to negative 3, and this is my prefix, nano volts. And this is the answer for the first part of my problem. Next, we're supposed to convert 470 picovolts to microvolts. Again, I'm going to start from 470 times 10 to negative 12 volts, okay? 470 picovolts is 470 times 10 to negative 12 volts. And I have to convert this to microvolts times 10 to negative 6 volts. Copy down this number, so 470 times 10 times 10 to negative 6. The question is, what number added to negative 6 is going to give me negative 12? Negative 6. Negative 6 plus negative 6 gives me negative 12. So I have to rewrite this as 470 times 10 to negative 6, and this is my prefix, microvolts. And this is the solution to the problem.